How's it going, everyone? Today I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted old messages on WhatsApp. Now first go to your WhatsApp application and go to this three dotted line right here at the top right hand corner. Then go to settings. Then go to chats and select chat backup. Now this will automatically back up your messages in WhatsApp. Then after that, go to your phone settings. And go to apps. Now here locate WhatsApp. Right here. Now go to storage. Then I want you to clear cache and clear data. Then go back. And make sure all permissions are enabled. Then go back to your WhatsApp. And type in your phone number. And wait for the 6-digit code. And there you have it. Now your old messages should be recovered at this point. So in my case, I just started using WhatsApp. That's why I don't have any recovered messages. So that's it for this video, and if you find it helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!